play with him, Debbie. Then I'll make a movie.
No, not a movie of me running and then.
Yeah, that would be funny for you. Oh, it's just standing there.
Yeah. Are you making a movie? No, don't make a movie.
I'm making a movie now.
Yeah,
Yes.
I don't want. Moi, avec. No, avec moi.
He's calling Momo.
No, moi.
No, sometimes it's just confusing
How can
the
you
mother and.
confuse a mother and a grandmother.
No, it's because in Danish it's just more twice.
I know. Which is very logical, by the way. That's nice. I also like it. But my boots are not the same as his. I bought her in a white pair. She doesn't let me use them. She said it's not warm enough in them.